If your steering wheel is stiff and your power steering fluid is black, you might have a damaged power steering rack. Hi, I'm Barbara Terry with AutoMD. The power steering system assists you when steering your steering wheel. They do wear out over time and should be replaced when necessary. Parts and tools needed. For this project, you will need the following parts: power steering rack, power steering fluid, cotter pins. You will also need the following tools: lug nut wrench or tire iron with breaker bar, torque wrench, 3/8" drive ratchet, set of sockets, set of flare nut wrenches, flathead screwdriver, fluid evacuator. Your own vehicle's components and parts may differ, so always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for details. For your safety, we recommend wearing safety glasses, latex gloves, and closed-toed shoes when working on your vehicle. Remove the front wheels by loosening or pulling off the lug nuts that are holding the rims on. Find the correct size socket and large ratchet or tire iron and turn them counterclockwise. It is a good idea to break the lug nuts free before you lift the wheels off the ground. This way you will not spin the wheel or put stress on the gears in your gearbox. Inspect the power steering system for any leaks. Also, turn on the car and listen for any noises from the power steering system while turning the wheel. If you discover any leaks, you will need to replace the power steering rack. First, open the hood and locate the power steering reservoir. Using a turkey baster, remove all the fluid from the chamber. Remove the outer tie rod ends and cotter pins. You will need to replace the cotter pins during reassembly with new ones. Loosen the outer tie rod end nuts a few turns, but do not remove them yet. Using the puller tool, separate the outer tie rod ends from the steering knuckles. Then remove the castle nuts completely. Then remove the power steering lines from the power steering rack and remove the power steering rack. Install the new power steering rack in the reverse order. Top off the power steering fluid in the reservoir and start the car for a minute and then shut it off. Top off the power steering fluid again. Now it's time to start your car and test out the play in your steering wheel. On behalf of AutoMD, I'm Barbara Terry with how to replace your power steering rack.